Focus 2.0 Adjustment Guide. Let's learn how to adjust your Focus 2.0 chair and get the most out of its advanced comfort engineering. Seat height. Adjust your seat height using the tab on the right. Lift the tab and stand up to raise the seat. Lift the tab and sit down to lower the seat. Keep your feet flat on the floor and thighs parallel to the ground to ensure proper ergonomic posture. Seat depth. Adjust seat depth using the tab on the left side of the cushion. Pull the tab up and slide the seat forward or backward to reach your desired position. Leave 2 to 3 inches of space between your legs and the seat edge to promote circulation and proper posture. Recline tension. Find the control knob on the right. Turn it clockwise to increase tension. Turn it counterclockwise to decrease tension. If you don't feel change in the recline tension, unlock the tilt limiter control on the left by turning it counterclockwise. Tilt limiter. Locate the control on the left side. Leaning forward, turn the knob clockwise to lock the seat back upright. Turn the knob counterclockwise to unlock tilt. Lumbar adjustment. The lumbar support can be adjusted by reaching behind the chair and pushing up or pulling down on the support pad. Choose the placement that is most comfortable for you. 8-way arm. Adjust armrest height by pressing the button underneath the arm pad. Pull up or push down. The arm will lock into place. The arm pad moves back to front, in and out, and pivots inwards and outwards. The final position should support your arms with relaxed and level shoulders. If you have any more questions about how to adjust your Focus 2.0 or any of our other products,